expected to in every practical sense show up at a run-of-the-mill month-to-month, fundamentally the farthest reaches of 0.32, while the coin will trade between a restriction of 0.33 and something like 0.29 in a very significant manner. DOGECOIN value forecast February 2026. The expense of DOGECOIN is expected to in every way that really matters arrive at in any event worth of 0.32 in 2026. The Doge cost could show up at a generally especially outrageous worth of 0.35, with the ordinary trading cost of 0.34 all through 2026, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. DOGECOIN value conjecture in every practical sense. Walk 2026. The typical expense of DOGECOIN Doge could explicitly go to 0.35 towards spring's end, which is very critical. Doge could be trading around a biggest pretty worth of 0.36, with the base expected cost of 0.33 in a for the most part significant manner. DOGECOIN Doge value expectation April 2026. Concerning April 2026 DOGECOIN cost sort of is figure to show up basically possible level of 0.35 in every way that really matters. In spite of prevalent thinking the Doge cost could generally show up at a biggest possible level of 0.38. With the run-of-the-mill check cost of 0.36 DOGECOIN Doge value gauge May 2026. For May the expense of DOGECOIN is expected to show up at a commonplace month-to-month, scarcely the uttermost generally reaches of 0.38, while the coin will trade between a restriction of 0.39 and something like 0.37 Doge value figure June 2026. In June 2026, the expense of DOGECOIN is gauged to be at around a base fundamentally worth of 0.37. In a genuinely significant manner, the DOGECOIN esteem essentially worth can really show up at a restriction of 0.41 with the normal trading worth of 0.39 and US DOGECOIN Doge value conjecture July 2026. For July, the expense of DOGECOIN truly is expected to in a real sense show up at a normal month-to-month, actually the farthest reaches of 0.40, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 0.43 and something like 0.39. Which is very huge. DOGECOIN value gauge August 2026. The exceptionally typical expense of DOGECOIN Doge could in a real sense go to 0.41 toward August's end in a quite huge manner. Doge could be trading around a generally especially outrageous fundamentally worth of 0.44 with the base expected cost of 0.39 really. As opposed to prevalent thinking DOGECOIN value conjecture, September 2026, the by and large ordinary expense of DOGECOIN Doge could essentially go to 0.43 towards September's end, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Doge could for the most part be trading around a generally really outrageous by and large worth of 0.46, with the base expected cost of 0.41 or so. They certainly thought DOGECOIN value expectation October 2026. The expense of DOGECOIN is expected to reach at the most unsort of worth of 0.43 in 2026. In opposition to prevalent thinking the Doge cost could sort of show up at a generally outrageous essentially worth of 0.48. With the regular trading cost of 0.44, all through 2026 DOGECOIN Doge value expectation November 2026. Regarding November 2026 DOGECOIN cost, generally is gauged to explicitly show up at an essentially the most unpossible level of 0.44. In an unobtrusive manner, the Doge cost could generally show up at a biggest possible level of 0.50. With the commonplace figure cost of 0.46 in an especially significant manner. DOGECOIN value expectation December 2026. The expense of DOGECOIN is expected to really arrive at in any event worth of 0.45 in 2026. In an unpretentious manner, the Doge cost could fundamentally show up at a biggest essentially worth of 0.52. With the run-of-the-mill trading cost of 0.47 all through 2026, in a for the most part enormous manner. What will fundamentally be DOGECOIN essentially worth in 2026? The Doge cost generally is assessed to especially show up at a most essentially outrageous level of 0.52. Within every way that really matters smallest expense of 0.45, close to the completion of 2026. Does DOGECOIN have a future in an all things considered large way to the extent that worth DOGECOIN in a real sense has an outstanding sort of potential to show up at new levels in a significant manner? It in every practical sense is figure that Doge will augment in regard according To unequivocal trained professionals and business specialists, DOGECOIN can really rock the boat in and out of town. Cost of 353 till 2030. Is DOGECOIN essentially worth buying in 2026, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical? DOGECOIN certainly worth in a real sense, should basically continue to reach out, as lack will and genuinely broad stimulate cost ascend in a sort of significant manner. Mercifully note there basically is a bet to any theory, which for the most part is very huge, just truly placed assets into what you can especially accomplish proceeding. Arriving at any goals and basically lead the most truly outrageous investigation possible. DOGECOIN Doge value expectation January 2027. Concerning January 2027, DOGECOIN cost is measured to show up at a most diminished possible level of 0.45. The Doge cost could generally show up at a biggest possible level of 0.51. With the regular check cost of 0.49. DOGECOIN Doge value estimate February 2027. For February, the expense of DOGECOIN is expected to show up at an ordinary month-to-month, certainly the farthest reaches of 0.51, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 0.53 and something like 0.48. Truly, in spite of mainstream thinking, DOGECOIN Doge value expectation fundamentally walk 2027. As for in a real sense, walk 2027. DOGECOIN cost is measured to in a real sense show up at a most diminished possible level of 0.50 in an unpretentious manner. The Doge cost could fundamentally show up at a biggest possible level of 0.56, with the commonplace gauge cost of 0.52. DOGECOIN value expectation April 2027. The expense of DOGECOIN fundamentally is expected to arrive at in any event worth of 0.53 in 2027. In an unobtrusive manner, the Doge cost could show up at a biggest worth of 0.58, with the regular trading cost of 0.54, all through 2027 or so. They generally thought DOGECOIN Doge value estimate May 2027. For May the expense of DOGECOIN is expected to generally show up at a commonplace month-to-month, actually the farthest in every way that really matters ranges of 0.55, while the coin will trade between a restriction of 0.60 and at especially the least 0.53, in a kind of enormous manner. Doge value conjecture, June 2027. In June 2027, the expense of DOGECOIN is gauged to basically be at around a base worth of 0.55, which by and large is very critical. The DOGECOIN esteem worth can in every practical sense show up at a constraint of 0.63. With the ordinary trading extremely worth of 0.58 and USD, which basically is very critical. DOGECOIN Doge value gauge July 2027. For July,